Narayanyam, Dashakam number 2, Shloka number 8. Nishkamam niyatasvadharmacharanam yatkarma yogabhidham tadduretya phalam yadaupanishad jnanopalabhyam punaha ततव्यक्ततया सुदुर्गमतरं चित्तस्य तस्माद्विभो त्वत्प्रेमात्मकभक्तिरेव सततं स्वादीयसी श्रेयसी. This is a continuation of the thought process from the previous shlokam, where Bhattatri talks about 3 primary ways to attain God. Nishkamam means karma performed without any expectation. Expectation is the mother of all issues. When we have tons of expectations for what should happen in the future, how people should react and not react, we are setting ourselves up for judgment and big disappointments. So it is a good state to perform karma without any expectation in return. Easier said than done, but we should be conscious about this. Nishkamam niyata swadharma charanam yat karma yogabhidam. So this is mainly describing the karma margam. Tad duretya phalam. Even if you carry out karma without expectations in return, the results are not immediate. Results are not low-lying fruits that you can go and pluck easily. So it will take wait period. So you need to be patient. Yadaupanishad jnano phalabhyam punaha. So this has reference to the jnana margam. So reading Upanishad is wonderful, but not many of us are able to comprehend it. It is tough and it is not easy. It is tough to understand and comprehend. Tatavyaktataya sudurgamataram chittasya tasmad vibho. So the easiest margam, the easiest path to attain you, Krishna, is prema margam. And in this approach, I can afford to be outpouring to you out of love, out of my proximity to you. So this is the easiest. Tvat prematmaka bhakti reva. So this is bhakti, the feeling of bhakti combined with love is what I believe will take me closer to you. Satatam, always. Satatam means always. Swadiyasish shreyasi. Swad here refers to nice feeling. So it's always a great feeling. It's always an enlightening feeling to hear about your stories, to chant about you, and which we enjoy the most. And what is the reason behind this? Because we love you. So these are thoughts stemming out of love. So this is the synopsis of this shlokam. Nishkamam niyatasvadharmacharanam yatkarma yogabhidham tadduretya phalam yadaupanishad jnanopalabhyam punaha मुक्ततया सुदुर्गमतरं चित्तस्य तस्माद्विभो त्वत्प्रेमात्मकभक्तिरेव सततं स्वादीयसी श्रेयसी।